Hello guys, welcome to MA Tutorials. This video is based on how I created Xiaomi logo in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started.
Preview.
Before entering into the video, are you looking for a designer who can design logos, posters, business cards, UI/UX, and designing kinds of stuff? Then you are at the right place. Just go to fiverr.com/hmohammedathil or click on the link in description and get your designs now. Let's move on to the video. We need to start creating with the logo. For that, create a new common artboard in Adobe Illustrator. Press Shift plus F7 to open a line tab. Then select the rectangle tool from the toolbar. Create a new rectangle with width and height 179 pixels. After that, go to Transform tab and change its corner radius to 64 pixels. Then go to Fill and change its color code to FD6A02 and press Enter key. Then go to Stroke and click None. Then go to Align tab and align it to center of the artboard. After that, create 4 rectangles. First rectangle with width and height 78 and 70 pixels. Second rectangle with width and height 44 and 55 pixels. Third rectangle with width and height 18 and 43 pixels. And the last rectangle with width and height 18 and 69 pixels. Then select the first rectangle. Go to Transform tab and change its right top corner radius to 20.5 pixels. Then select the second rectangle. Go to Transform tab and change its right top corner radius to 11.75 pixels. Then select both rectangles. Go to Align tab and click on Horizontal Align Center and Vertical Align Bottom. After that, select the Shape Builder tool from the toolbar. Draw the required section for the letter M. Then delete the unwanted parts. After that, arrange all the rectangles in order to get the Xiaomi logo. Then, select all the shapes. Go to Fill and change its color code to FFFFFF, which is white. Then press Ctrl+G to group the selection. After that, select the MI text shape and select the rectangle shape and align it to center. Then align everything into the artboard. And there we go, that wraps up the video. Hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I will see you next time.